Hi guys, so in this lesson, I will teach you how to change the DNS of your hosting, okay? So first, we have to go to namecheap.com, okay? Just go here, and then go to the left corner, which says sign in, okay? And then you put your username and the password, okay? So remember the username that we got earlier, and put the password, and then click sign in. Okay, so let's just wait for it. Okay, so now here we're in the inside Namecheap. So just scroll down, and you can see here the domain name that we bought. It's digitalbooks.club. Okay, so just click here on the manage. Okay, just click the manage button. Okay, and then scroll down on the name server. Okay, just go to the name server, and originally it will look like this. It will show Namecheap basic DNS, okay? But we need to change that, okay? We need to make sure that it is Namecheap web hosting DNS. So just click this Namecheap web hosting DNS, okay? And then you can see here there's a little check icon, okay? Just make sure that you click this, okay? Because this will save the settings, okay? Just click this, the check, okay? And it will show here DNS server update may take up to 48 hours to take effect, okay? So basically, your website, the digitalbooks.club, okay, this will be empty, okay? Even if we install WordPress later, this will look like this, because there's still DNS propagation, and it may take up to 48 hours. Okay? So I'll see you in the next video.